the microphone on your Apple Watch is not working during calls, Siri, voice messages, or dictation, try these fixes in order. The first easy solution is to restart your Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button, tap the power button, and then drag the power off slider to turn it off. Wait about 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo on the screen. The second solution is to check whether the microphone hole is blocked by dust, water, or a protective case. The Apple Watch has one microphone located between the digital crown and the side button. The Apple Watch Ultra has two microphones. One is located between the digital crown and the side button, and the second microphone is on the right side of the watch case, near the action button and speaker openings. Clean the microphone area gently with a soft, dry cloth. If your watch got wet, press the side button to open Control Center. Tap the water drop icon to turn on water lock. Then press and hold the digital crown to eject any remaining water. Now test the microphone with Siri. Say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?" If Siri still can't hear you, there may be a microphone issue. The third solution is to check the dictation settings on your Apple Watch. On your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to open the home screen, then find and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General, then find Dictation. Make sure Enable Dictation is turned on. The next solution is to disconnect Bluetooth accessories from your Apple Watch, such as AirPods, and test the microphone again because your audio may be routed to another device. Open Bluetooth settings, tap the I button next to the connected device, and choose Forget Device or Disconnect. The fourth solution is to update your Apple Watch and iPhone to the latest software version. You can update your Apple Watch directly. Open the Settings app, scroll down to General, and tap Software Update. Install any available update. If the problem still isn't fixed after trying all these solutions, the fifth solution is to unpair and pair your Apple Watch again. Your Apple Watch automatically creates a backup on your iPhone before it is unpaired and erased. When you pair it again, select your latest backup. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap All Watches in the top left corner. Tap the I button next to your Apple Watch. Select Unpair Apple Watch. Then pair it again with your iPhone. If you're still having the problem, tell me in the comments where exactly the issue happens. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more videos.